this video, I will share 8 ways to increase your website traffic. $44,715 in passive affiliate commission. And the total hops or clicks or traffic generated is 46,988. Pretty impressive. And this section shows the stats of our affiliates, where we are the product creators and our affiliates send traffic to our offers. Total revenue generated $299,028. Total hops, clicks, or traffic, 647,998. Not bad, right? So how do we get traffic? In this video, I'm going to share our strategies, how we get traffic. And one of the best ways, one of the easiest ways that we always get traffic from are the videos. Yes, we make simple, informative, educational videos to help customers. But here's the kicker. Using cameras and microphones, we cannot make a lot of videos. So in order to solve our problems of making a lot of videos and get a lot of traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, we made our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes videos using image and text, using artificial intelligence. And Epic turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. So we never have to use camera and microphone. And this is how we run 20+ channels using Epic. And on top of that, Epic makes bite-sized videos. We can save the campaign, go out for other work, come back later, add more sections without editing and without hassle. Just by using 3 to 5 minutes of our times, we can make money making videos. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and all your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. With this share, you can help others as well. And they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your website visitors and customers. This is exactly how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money online. One of the best places to get traffic, free traffic, and increase your website traffic is Pinterest. Pinterest has 871 million monthly visitors. And here is the interesting part, 27% of this traffic comes from Google. So promoting your website on Pinterest means getting traffic from Google without additional SEO or search engine optimization. Here is an example of Pinterest traffic. You see this pin, it's nothing but an image with some text. Click on this image and you will be on this website. This is a blog where you will see a lot of great content. This is a great content promoted on Pinterest. If you analyze their traffic, they have 62,000 monthly visitors and 20% of the traffic come from social media, and almost all the social media traffic come from Pinterest. In order to promote to Pinterest, all you need to do is to click this create button and create pin, upload your image right here, add text about the pin and your destination link or your website link. Pinterest users know that if they want to visit the website, they just need to click the link in the image. Or when they visit a pin or click on a pin to get more details, they get the link here. But if you look closely, all you need is image and website content. Now, as you are looking for increasing website visitors, you definitely already have a website. But in case you don't have a website, you can use Maven. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. With Maven, you can create a premium quality content blog from just a URL. No need to write your own content. But yes, of course, you can edit and add your own content if you want. All details are in the description. It's free to start. Go get Maven. Another great place to get traffic is Quora.com. Quora has 825 million monthly visitors, and almost 70% of this traffic come from Google. So again, promoting your website on Quora equals getting traffic from Google. Quora is pretty simple. People go to Quora to ask questions and to read answers of other people's questions and answers. So it's basically a question and answer platform. So when you answer other people's question, a lot of people who are looking for the answer of the question, they will look at your answer, and if they like your answer, they will click on your links and visit your website. Here's an example. Somebody asked this question: what is the most damaging eyewitness testimony in Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial so far? bar. So yes, this is the answer, an image, and this is the answer and nothing else. And this answer alone has got 953,000 views, 11,000 upvotes. Wow, this is awesome. You can start doing it. Udemy has 109 million monthly visitors. But the great part about Udemy, all these people are buyers. They're looking to buy online courses. They're looking to learn new skills. And because they are looking for online courses, they have a longer attention span. Better than TikTok audience for sure. We're gonna come to TikTok in a moment, but let me show you traffic distribution. From 100 million monthly visitors or customers, 20% customers come from Google. So putting your bunch of videos that you make to promote your website and to increase the traffic of your website on Google, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook video channels, use those videos, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy as online course. 20% approximately, or maybe more, traffic and customers will come from Google. I understand this will not directly increase the traffic of your website, but this is free money. You're not doing extra work. You're using your existing videos, bundling them up and uploading on Udemy to get more eyeballs to you, your content, your course, and eventually a lot of them will buy from you. We have other videos in the channel where we showed people made millions of dollars selling their courses on Udemy and basically from free Udemy traffic. But at the same time, you can promote and talk about your website inside your course and get free traffic. Now, here is the kicker. If you want quick increase of traffic from Udemy to your website, make your course free. People will start getting your course for free. They will know you, they will visit your website, know about your content quality, and eventually buy from you when you launch a paid course. Let's search for online traffic. Yes, it's a big topic, over 10,000 results or 10,000 courses. Like Udemy, Skillshare is another place that you can use to increase your website traffic. They have 9.3 million monthly visitors, and a lot of that traffic come from Google, search engines, and from social media. And of course, they have over 50% their own traffic and customers. Skillshare is a little bit different than Udemy. Once someone signs up for Skillshare, they get all the courses for free. So your courses will get more accesses, which means more people will know about your website easily. Reddit.com has 1.9 billion monthly visitors, and 50% of their traffic come from Google. So getting something on Reddit equals getting free traffic from Google. But the best part, Reddit is well known for serious traffic who buy a lot. Reddit is basically like online forums where people ask questions, communicate, engage in discussions. So it's easy to join a subreddit or a subgroup, see what they're talking about, build rapport with them, and eventually you can get a lot of engagements from where you will get a lot of traffic. We can joint venture or collab with the movers and shakers of the subgroups or subreddits and get more promotions, more referrals, and recommendations. That will increase your website traffic drastically. I love Facebook a lot because my friends and the people in my network are a lot on Facebook. And when you post something valuable, you see the number of shares. Just a few shares can get a lot more traffic to your posts. Another great feature on Facebook is Facebook Reels. These are just simple 1-minute videos, and I used these videos for YouTube and TikTok as well. You see the numbers? These are the numbers of views. Views equals traffic. I added value, information, and helpful content. People loved it. They loved my videos, they shared my videos, and they clicked my recommended links, well, basically my own website links. Finally, I want you to join bloggers networks and promote each other's blogs. Plus, guest blogging. This will also open guest blogging opportunity. A lot of bloggers allow other bloggers to post content in their blog. In return, the guest blogger is allowed to leave a link at the bottom of the blog post or in the bio. This way, your blog post or your content is exposed to the audience of another blogger. I use AI writing tools. Link in the description, you will get a free writing tool and also my affiliate link of this tool that I'm using. Don't worry, if you use my affiliate link, you will not lose anything. You won't have to pay extra. And you will be supporting our channel by buying through our links. Anyways, all the links are in the description. Epic is free, link is in the description. Now let us write a high quality content using AI. So I'm going to use the advanced mode, and I want to write an article about how to make money online using article writing. That's the topic of my article. And I will select how to. I will ask the AI to generate a title for me. They have given me some options. I will choose this one, super awesome. I can regenerate titles and get more title ideas. For this video, I will not go more. I will simply click generate outline for me. Now the outline is generated, is all automatic. I don't have to do anything. So the outline is generated. Now I can add more outline if I want, or if I'm happy with what we have, I will simply click finish. And look what happens. It's amazing. The AI worked all by itself and wrote 861 words article for me. Affiliate networks like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. If you have an awesome product that can help audience, then list your website and your products on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. They work something like ClickBank. Then build network with affiliates. When those affiliates promote your products to their audience, they will get automatically 50% or 70% or 80% commissions as you set for them. When you make videos, one of the greatest places for website traffic, TikTok, will be open for you. This is a brand new TikTok account, and look at the number of views without promotion. And within just a few days, we got more than 200 visitors from TikTok to our website using the same exact videos we made for YouTube, Facebook, and other channels. Well, of course, if you don't like cameras and microphones, even we don't like cameras and microphones for all our other channels, then you can use Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. So these are the couple of ways to increase your website traffic. Use them, increase your website traffic, and make easy money. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and all your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. With this share, you can help others as well, and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your website visitors and customers. This is exactly how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money online. And yes, when they like you, they will share your content and send more referral traffic. So share any good content, helpful content like this video in your social media timelines, and this will help you increase your website traffic as well. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.